Hey everyone, happy Mozambique Monday. Remember, Mozambique Monday is meant for you. So if you have a question about Mozambique or about the ministry that's happening there, please just leave a question in the comment section at the end of the video. So today's question is about the weather, and my question is from my friend Irina. So thanks for the question. And in light of our tropical storm kind of weather that we're getting in Florida right now, I thought I would address her question. So she asks, what is the weather like in Mozambique? Is it hot? Is it always hot? Or does it ever get cold or freezing? So I'm going to answer according to where we live in Mozambique, because Mozambique is a very long country. So there is a little variation of weather. When you get further south, it's a little bit cooler in the winter. But where we live in the northern part of Mozambique, it is hot and hotter and very humid. Actually, it's a lot like Florida in the month of July. It's very subtropical. We actually have a lot of the same vegetation and plants in northern Mozambique and in Florida where we live. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, it's hot and humid, and we have a summer that's really called the rainy season, and winter, which is the dry season. We're also in a different hemisphere. So since Mozambique is in the southern hemisphere, Christmas is in the summer. And so our seasons are opposite. So summer or rainy season for us gets very, very hot and humid. And it's like, I don't know, it's like in the 90s, but the humidity makes it feel like in the hundreds, you know? And then our coolest, most comfortable month is July, and it's windy in July. It's like these winds come from off the ocean, and it is the best month ever. So if you ever want to visit us in Mozambique, come in July. You will be grateful. You will still sweat, but the evenings get down to like 70 degrees at the coldest. So 70 degrees to me feels chilly, so I will like wear a layer. But during the day, it's like 85. So it's still summer weather. But it's not as humid in July. We have like literally 5 weeks maybe of that really nice weather, which it's a lot drier and it's not humid. So 85 feels amazing. It doesn't feel like you're sweating at 85. It's pretty comfortable. So that is that's how our seasons are. The southern part of Mozambique actually gets cooler in the winter. When we lived in Maputo, it would get down to like 40 degrees and at night, and that's really cold when you don't have a heater. So I would like turn the oven on in the morning and, you know, open it to kind of like heat and warm the house up until just for, you know, a little bit. And then, yes, it actually gets cool, and I would feel cold like that. But I'm telling you, northern Mozambique, it does not get that cold. So that's our 2 seasons that we have. Thanks for listening to today's Mozambique Monday. Don't forget to post a question, and please let this be a reminder for you to pray for Mozambique.